For almost a century, ammonia production has been a necessary process that a multitude of industries rely on.
Let's be really honest. The method of achieving economic profit in ammonia has existed for a long time.
But in Tetra Plus One, we do things differently. With a huge amount of expertise and breakthrough technology, Tetra Plus One aims to design the most resource-efficient, lucrative, and green method that generates over 200,000 tons of ammonia per year.
This is the first time that we are able to make a quantified, economically viable system to be the energy company that actually brings that message to market, and this is a really, really proud moment.
In Tetra Plus One, we do not only make ammonia,
we reinvent ammonia.
Tetra Plus One used one of the most advanced technology to design the most eco-friendly production system, aiming to produce 200,000 tons of ammonia per year. All fresh feeds of nitrogen, hydrogen, argon goes to the same processor and are heated together to temperature TE. All materials then go through a reactor and undergoes the heat process under temperature TR. In the end, the ammonia products are obtained via condensation of ammonia in a separator. We then recycle part of the remaining gases and combine them with the fresh feed to minimize the waste of our reactants.
To find the profit, we calculate the cost by analyzing the materials required based on the annual production target. A huge chunk of cost was from raw material, equipment, heat exchanger, and cooling system. Because the refrigeration cooling system is more expensive, we designed an alternative way. First, using cooling water to cool the streams down to 30 degrees Celsius, until the cooling water could no longer lower the temperature. Then use the refrigeration to continue cool down streams to the desired temperature.
in the market, there are multiple models of reactors and separators. We guarantee that we're always using the option that requires minimum cost. When the volume of one small reactor or separator could no longer satisfy the production requirement, we will always check if we could use multiple reactors or separators instead of simply choosing the models with larger volume, because sometimes the ones with larger volume cost much more than multiple small models. We also incorporated a recycle stream and a purge stream in our design to minimize the cost of raw material, thereby limiting the total cost.
We don't just simply help you generate more profit by calculating the cost. The profit is the income minus the cost. We analyze the profit directly to achieve a balance between the production and the cost. To find the optimum condition, we plot the profit curve by changing only one of the variables while keeping the rest constant. By looking at these diagrams, we could easily find the best conditions by looking for the peak of the profit curve. In the end, we chose the following conditions, and according to our prediction, the system could generate an annual profit of $43.632 million.
We are a group committed to being environmentally responsible as we look to the future. With ammonia being produced around the world at around 159 million tons annually, we are leading the industry with innovations to reduce our impact. First, the purge stream from our process inevitably releases ammonia into the environment, but we increase our recycle to purge ratio to both help reduce ammonia waste as well as increase profits by recovering components. Further, we reduce thermal pollution from our cooling water systems by repurposing our heated water and placing it in a reservoir, waiting for it to cool, and reusing it for our cooling purposes.
Tetra Plus One is the pioneer of green technology, with efficiency and productivity at the forefront of our values, leading the industry and facing head-on some of the biggest challenges in the dynamic world. Tetra Plus One, ammonia reinvented.